Hashtag Black Muslim Month, hashtag More Month Matters, hashtag More March Month, hashtag The More You Know. Judaism, Christianity and Islam, the three major monotheistic religions. What if I told you, thinking face? Muslims and Jews are followers of religions of Islam and Judaism respectively. Both religions are of Semitic or Shemitic in meaning and origin, whose followers worship the same God, as both consider themselves to be descendants of the same patriarch. The texts and stories that were used to justify slavery still exist in the sacred texts of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Religions redefine themselves and people draw on different stories and underplay other stories. This happens constantly throughout history. People who enslaved others in the name of God. Related to. Two words that can be interchanged in a context are said to be synonymous relative to that context. Example, Holy Hill Mount Einstump Temple. Hashtag things that make you question everything exploding head.